Good morning. One of the most important rules in life is to take care of your gear. If you take care of your gear will take care of you. So we got to get these kayaks off the ground. And today, T-Rex and I got a little Sunday morning project. We're going to build a kayak rack on our existing fence. We've already got two 4x4 posts in the ground, about 8 foot apart. And just want to build something super simple, and we're going to attempt to do that by using these 4x4 fence post bases. So we're going to see if we can build that rack and get enough support using these things. So we'll see how that goes. The first step in building the sweetest kayak rack ever was to cut our 6 foot 4x4 posts into 3 foot sections. And once that's done, it's nice to strategically place all of your building materials at the project site. It just makes things so much easier. And here is our blank canvas project site. We've got two 8 foot 4x4s spaced about 8 foot apart that support our existing privacy fence. And the first step here is to install one of the 4x4 support bases. And once that's in, it's critical that you make sure everything is level before installing the second support base. And once you're level, you're going to want to go ahead and drill your pilot holes for the supporting lag bolts. Install the lag bolts and confirm that everything is level. Then, just repeat the process for the top kayak rack. I spaced the top support bases exactly 2 feet above the bottom, which I feel is just about right. Again, make sure everything is level before installing the second base. Confirm everything is level, and you're ready for phase 2. I found it extremely useful to use a dead blow hammer when installing the 4x4s to support bases. Once these are all in, all that's left is to install the angle braces. I used 45-degree angles on both sides, but you can use whatever angles you want. Just remember that they need to equal 90 degrees. 4-inch deck screws were absolutely perfect for securing the braces. There you go.
I'll be on the.
Let's put some clean kayaks up on her. Y'all, that's all there is to it. I am super proud of what me and T-Rex were able to build today. It's so simple. We use 20 foot of 4x4 posts, so you could buy 3 8-footers or 4 6-footers. We bought 4 of those 4x4 base supports. We used 1/2 by 3.5 inch lag bolts to secure those to the 4x4 fence posts. We just put some angle braces on for support, and we finished her off with some sweet little decorative end caps that we ordered off Amazon for like $5 a piece.
So this is for freedom.
For freedom.
Ah! Ow, that hurts.
Good job, buddy. That's a wrap.
Go Gators!